Hey, what's up everybody? Mustang 23T here. Just doing a video because I was gathering some questions if I ever found out what the issue was with the when the car's moving and vibrating clicking noise coming out of the back window. So what I did is here, I know it looks a little bad, but this is what I did to just kind of reduce the noise. The noise is coming out, so it's from the driver's side, at least for me. Small back window, which is this one right here, and this panel, which connects to the kind of like where the seatbelt is what makes a noise. If you were to identify the problem, if you were to tap, you'll hear the actual clicking noise. And what I did was I just added in between some foam pieces, kind of like the shipping foam pieces, in between here, and that got rid of the sound. Here and then these start to move with the vibration and the movement of the car, so you gotta like readjust them. I don't know what really causes the issue, like on why this happens here, but basically here in the center there's kind of like a little a pillar or whatnot that goes in, that's supposed to be snapped in and not supposed to move. But I don't know, over time I guess it just starts to fit loose, and what happens is as the car moves, it starts to kind of wiggle in the spot where it's supposed to be snapped in, and that's what's creating the noise while you drive. It doesn't happen on the passenger side for me yet, but that's the noise that was happening. So what I did is I did this, I sandwiched this in here. It doesn't look good, but maybe if you get a black foam or a darker foam so it kind of blends in here, or even probably even cut that little pillar that I was talking about might solve the issue. But for now, this is what works for me. I basically drive alone most of the time, so it doesn't really bother me. Nobody's looking at this, so that's what it is. Anyways, if you have any comments, questions, go ahead and leave them below. I'll go ahead and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Mustang 23T, I'm out. Have a very blessed day and a happy new year.